Good morning everyone, my name is Japbox Jacob and today we are at Calder Park Raceway for Drift Cadet Sunday sessions. So I got a bag man now, but this is Tony by the way. You might have seen him in the last video on the Reefton run. Yeah, so I slept through all 4 of my alarms. I basically went to bed at 1, which is the latest I could have gone. But the main thing is we got here and we didn't miss too much, so the good thing is we get to still enjoy all of the action. I didn't show you guys in the video, but I brought the Skyline out. It is still alive, it's still kicking. This is the first video in a couple of months that you guys get to see it, so I'm glad you guys get to enjoy it. I still got all of the dirt marks from when I was trying to fix the battery terminal, which I will show you guys actually while I have the chance. I still have to get a cover for it, so that's the next thing I got to get from Super Cheap. I had to get a whole new terminal because my terminal's stripped and I can't actually get it off, but it drives, it runs properly and there's no issues. After driving my friend's 34, I'm definitely going to get new coilovers because these coilovers are way too bouncy. I'm going to get Tony to drive the Skyline. This thing needs a really good paint job at some point.
Yeah, that's fine, man. That's like any other Jap car, really.
Yeah. Oh yeah, keys are in my hand. Here you go.
Yeah.
Yep. And now you can drive. There we go.
Oh,
I think we can go around there and then do a UE.
yeah. Hey, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's pretty light on the power steering, which is good too.
The clutch is not that heavy, actually.
Yeah, the Corolla quarter.
Silica.
Celica, Toyota quarter. Ooh, another 4-door. It's actually sick. I'm glad they're letting all the cool cars stay in the cool car corner.
Good.
Hey Alexi, long time no see.
Oh, how you doing, man?
I'm good, man. That's Cam. So today's been very all over the place. I still got to meet Alexi and have a good chat with him, which was awesome. And I also got to speak to a couple of my mates. Hugo in particular, he's going to be drawing my car, so I'm going to be commissioning some artwork for the Skyline, which I'll put on the end of the video. But I feel like there's meant to be an area that we're supposed to go through, so I'm assuming it's probably around in that way. Last time when they said that we're going to be on track, I didn't actually expect to be on the track.
Alexi come around one more time.
Oh yeah. Then we'll head back on and get some shots from the pits or something like that. Yeah. Maybe not. I don't think. Wait, is he actually doing tandems? No, it's not Alexi.
It'll be the weirdest Noriyaro video ever.
Why?
Shot by me.
Oh yeah.
Actual videography?
Yeah.
What a day.
my 60-foot time. Probably like a minute and a half.
0 to 20 in one lunch break. Yeah. So this is my mate Adrian. He is. Are you the official or unofficial cameraman?
I don't know. I'm the cameraman.
He is the cameraman who's getting a lot of the on-track shots for Alexi. So basically, last year when Noriyaro came, there were a few rules about GoPros which made it very difficult for Noriyaro to be able to record last year's Drift Cadet when he came down to Melbourne. So he has asked, I'm going to wait for the Limmy bashing to finish. Hey, good shot too. There he goes, damn it. So anyway, as I was saying before, we were just interrupted by some amazing drifting goodness. Adrian has offered to film some on-track shots for Alexi so that way he can still create content and make this trip work. So it's going to be amazing to see the high-budget, awesome content that's coming out on the Noriyaro channel. You can check that out in the description below. Funnily enough, Alexi asked to alter the quality down to match. Because he's like, dude, I don't need 4K, which is very interesting, but hey, it's very genuine content. Anyway, we will see you guys when we get back from lunch. I was not prepared for the commie that I just witnessed. It's like, bro, we're all vaulted over here.
You right to get over?
This is a very expensive vaulting exercise we're doing over here.
Just put your bum on it and then stomach or bum, whatever. Stomach's good.
You got this.
That's the one.
Yeah, no, I've sometimes had to stay on the other side of the track because I can't.
They should really put a step ladder here.
So we're gonna wait for the parade lap.
Yeah, I'll jump in.
I might talk to Lynn and ask if we can do a couple for stage 2.
Yeah.
Any room?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. I was really tempted to get my 34, but I kind of ran late. Oh,
You got space?
wait, there I got space. Damn, this is so comfy. Wait, why does this car look familiar? Did you have Japanese flags on it at one point?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, it's you!
Yeah.
Oh, I had a feeling I got a photo of yours at a highball once.
Yeah, it would have been the case.
Damn. You must have got a lot of really good B-roll for that too. Yeah, man.
It's sort of the Commodore of Japan. It's four-door. I hate to say it, but it's true. So this one is V8 supercharged, sort of a under-pulleyed one, so it makes a lot of power down low. These cars are really popular in Australia. The old Nissan Bluebird. It's like a Skyline, but it's a wagon one. It's like Bipper. The Bipper. You have a very late 90s, early 2000s street style Sylvia. Trying to get away with a fairly modified car for that particular look. A86, of course. So this is, you can hear this noise, it's the dump pipe for the turbo.
You want anti-lag?
Yeah?
Here we go. This car's like hectic.
Right, here we go.
He'd bring it out to the kebab shop every now and then, dude.
Can I get people on this side of the car and that side of the car? I'm going to take a quick photo.
Congratulations. You're gonna be in a Noriyaro video, I think. No one's even coming up over the. Oh, wait, everyone is. They're going slow. Man's gone full on Noriyaro mode. Yeah, I know, man. Oh, that push right there, yeah. Don't watch out for the bump. There we go.
I don't know why they're going actual pace.
Yeah.
Because I'm just fucking going for it.
Exactly.
That is actually really slippery.
Yeah, it is. This is peak Canon event. Tony's chasing Alexi. Tony with the Noriyaro moment.
They're just going regular pace, dude.
Yeah, I know. They're just getting rolled, but we're here with the big boys. Jesus! Oh, fucking hell, that's mad!
I don't know what's making noise in the back, but I'm guessing some stuff has moved.
Probably stuff to move. Bye-bye, buddies! Bye-bye, buddies! Wow! This is chaos! Watch out for the chicane.
Yeah, the Supra's going. So much fun.
So much fun!
Optimum car spot now for car show and shine.
Yeah. Oh, look at that Celica Supra.
Put my car back where it was.
Yeah.
It's 2000.
Next to Adrian, yeah.
Mark, just chuck it there.
Oh, is that? Oh.
Ah, he's got. Nah, that's just what it does.
Gotta get into the video. A
V8 TMC.
ooh. has been a really big day of running around, taking videos. I am just really out of it today, but I just saw an old car that I haven't seen in ages. This is Candace's R34 Coupe, which is turbocharged, and it has the Altia front bumper. Hello, long time no see. Just admiring the build. I haven't seen it since you got the new bumper now.
Actually, it's at the right height now.
Is that the right? Oh, because this was lower before.
Yeah, no, same height. The bumper I had on before was like lower. It was like the
the GTR rep. J, was it J-Side or just another aftermarket?
J-side. So it was literally like all the way down
it was like
here.
all the way down there.
And it was just Yep.
Yeah, but now it's actually sitting pretty well, probably about the same height as mine now.
Yeah.
I actually really want to bring I brought my Skyline out today, if you saw.
Where is it?
Just parked over there. Actually, wait, you might see it from here. Wait, over there. You can kind of just see it. So I might drive my car around here and park it next to you. That is cool.
What was that?
That is cool. Just like drop top lantern. We're out in the wind in the back corner of the track right now, just walking up to the first chicane, and then we're going to go and see what the hill is like. But Jesus, Smoke Man himself, that guy you just saw, he's been smoking tires all day. I don't know how much torque he's pushing, but that guy just smokes it up with clouds everywhere. That is the impact of what he left. Just massive clouds. Guy is a legend, what the hell. Yeah. That's not Sharpie brand, is it? Oh, it's Sharpie brand.
That's how it sits with the thing on it. That's got a little ball.
You good?
The glove is straight.
I would do the inside.
I need to make some things like sticker boards.
Oh, that's actually a good idea. Oop, almost.
Yeah, you said you had
Yeah, this is aircon weather. I'm glad I have aircon in the Skyline.
Aircon in my Corolla.
And you got aircon in your Corolla. That's something even more to be boasting about too. So I couldn't pass up a better day to take the Skyline out, to go watch some drifting, and to go see Noriyaro do some awesome turns in some amazing Aussie cars. It's just great to be able to have this thing back out because it's been ages and I don't even know what's going on over there. Alexi's just having a chat with my mate Adrian, who's been doing a lot of the media for Alexi this time around for his channel. He's got his S2000 over here, which is very mint. But now we're going to go and chill at Chris's place, so I will see you guys when we get there, and I'll officially wrap the video up then. So I'm back at home and it is finally time to wrap up the day. It has been a big day. We had an amazing time at Drift Cadet Sunday sessions. I got to see Noriyaro again, and I also got to experience my very first track seat time as a passenger on Calder Park. I actually got to ride with John. If you don't know who John is, I'll leave his account right up here. And I also got to ride with Hugo, who was such a mad lad with his K70, just ripping it around the track and trying to keep up to Tony in his A86 and Noriyaro in the Commodore. It has just been a big day. I am absolutely pooped. We had Gami chicken to end off the night. I got to spend some time with Adrian just chilling and talking about everything that's happened. And unfortunately, despite putting on a few layers of sunscreen, I'm still very burnt. So I'm going to try and catch up on my rest and get ready for the rest of my week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this action-packed episode of Japbox Jacob, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.